Hello. Now that everything is slowly opening up here in California, we're going on a picnic. This is one of the beaches here in Southern California. Actually, this is an island, and in order to get here, we have to cross that bridge. There are a lot of activities we can do here. We can swim, we can paddleboard, we can go boating. Some people just go here to walk, and we can also go biking here, or just bring your food and eat on those picnic table. We got delayed on our way here because we had to deal to an accident. But did not want to talk more about that. The most important thing is everybody is safe. So after that incident, we were starving. So as soon as we got here, we had to eat first. This is what we have. Pinakbet. This is Filipino dish. Well, everything here is Filipino dish. We also have adobo. And this one, I think this one is called the red. This is the most famous one. As you can see, it's all gone. And we also have some shrimps.
Diyan, tapos ka na kumain dyan. Soda? Siya ka soda? Okay.
Nakahaba ko mo pala. Parang bagya, oh. Ay, bukol ko.
Sir, thank you.
Pagtukin natin po.
We're now gonna fire up the grill. This is Filipino style barbecuing. We had to put those red hot dogs on a stick. Having some fun here.
Diyan, sa'yo kayo dito, Soli.
Diyan.
Ito kapartner ko.
Hindi namang mahangin dito.
Corn.
Ano, magdagdag ka ng uling?
Oo, magdagdag ka. Matamat da eh.
Kasi nga, liwa, daran mo pa
Wala
kay.
kasagit sa dyan.
Lighter fluid.
Ayaw na niya mag-ano.
Ay,
Oo, hindi na ma...
Let me try those barbecue. These are done by Auntie Solly. She is right there. She is really a good cook and can cook anything.
Gusto niya pala ganitong turog. Tutorial niya. Ay, natulog na yung ano.
Okay, going back to the barbecue. Again, it's a Filipino style barbecue. It's a famous street food and can find it in almost every corner in the Philippines.
Na, di mo natagal ng sauce din. Ha?
Yan.
Oh, Carol. And barbecue.
We're also grilling some fish.
Yan. Inalian pala yun. Oo, pero dahon, next time dahon ang papantali mo. Para masarap lalo pa yung inihaw, di ba? Ano nalaman?
I will be ending the vlog here so we can enjoy those grilled fish. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you on the next one and hope you're having fun too, but please be safe. Bye!
Samantalang no, pag dumaga ng Rose Boulevard, ayun ang dagat. Ngayon, hindi mo makita yan. Yung malayo.
Ikaw naglagay sila ng white sand doon?
Oo, kaya tinatay yun. Yung mula pesya.
Oh, napunta nga.
O, di ba?
Pag lumilipad kami doon sa Molo Place kami.
Di ba ano yun?
Kami din, doon kami nagtanana ng haliam. Kasi pag ano, Pilipinada,